Hello, in front of me I've got BMW F40. In this video I'll tell you about common problems and repair costs of this car. The F40 is relatively new, but some reported issues include timing chain wear. On certain petrol engines, the issue is rare but costly if it happens. EGR valve issue on diesels. iDrive software glitches, fixable with updates. Battery drain in cars with many electronic options. And the repair costs are oil service $250 to $400, brake replacement $500 to $900, EGR replacement $700 to $1,200. Buying with warranty or extended coverage is recommended. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.